What up guys, welcome to another video. Today's rather important but very short, but I just bought this car for a very affordable price with a very affordable smell. What I was originally gonna do was buy some light blue summer linen trees and hopefully it smelled like new clothes. But I found a Meguiars whole car air refresher odor eliminator, permanent odor eliminator, finds odor wherever they are, easy one-time use. It's basically a bomb we set off inside the car by Meguiars. You leave the car running for 15 minutes with the AC on high, and hopefully you come back after 15 minutes and the car doesn't stink. The car has maybe like cigarette smoke in it from someone like 2 years ago. That's still a little bit of a stench there. Sweat, mud. It's just gross, plastic, strawberry tree inside of it. The strawberry ones, yeah, they say just don't breathe this, so let's see how it works. All right, we're making sure the AC is on, recycling the air in here. I'm gonna put the AC on high, on full cold, and it says it's easy as 1, 2, 3, people. 1, 2, 3, let's get it. Alright, I'm setting off the bomb. Let's see what happens. Oh, what the? Oh. Set timer for 15 minutes. If you guys want one of these stickers, I just started selling them on Instagram for $3. Shoot me a DM on Instagram and let me know you want one of these anti-Ricer Club stickers. Thought it was kind of funny. $3, shoot me a message, I'll get it to you in like 2-3 days. The aftermath, empty can. The car reeks, like this stuff stinks like heavy. I can already smell it on my clothes just from hopping in there. I kind of breathed a little bit when I got back in the car and it's not healthy. So letting it sit for 15 minutes. I'll let you guys know in a future video if it stayed, but I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you can get the stench out of your own car or your project car that's going on that already smells. Appreciate you guys. See you next one. Later.